everyone. Welcome to Huobi class. Today I want to show you about the complete guide of Huobi, from register, deposit, and spot trading. First, open huobi.be, and then click sign up. You can register with email or phone number. Let's register with email. You can choose your nationality. You can fill your email here. Fill your password here. Repeat the exact same password. Click sign up. Slide the verification bar. Input the verification code. Congratulations. You now ready to use Huobi. Okay, now we move to the next lesson. Now, we are going to learn how to verify your Huobi account. You can do basic tasks like deposit and withdraw on Huobi with no problems. But there are limitations like how much that you can withdraw a day, and you can't access most of Huobi features. These are benefits if your Huobi account is verified. Okay, now open Huobi page. Proceed to top right corner over here. Click identification. You can use passport, driving license, or any other legal ID documents. Put your document number here. Put your first name here. Put your last name here. Upload photo of your document here. Click verify. Now you can wait for the verification process. Verification process takes less than 24 hours. If all the information you submitted are correct, your verification application will be completed. Or else, if your ID application got rejected, you can contact our 24 hours online support. You can reach our online support on bottom right corner of Huobi website or via Huobi global apps. Click icon over here. Proceed to the icon over here. Click Help Center over here. Or you can send us a ticket via email at Huobi official email support@huobi.com. Or you can reach our Huobi Knights at Huobi Telegram group. We are very pleased to assist you. Let's proceed to another lesson, which is how to deposit on Huobi. It's very easy. All you need just open Huobi page. Hover your mouse to Balances tab, and click Exchange Account menu. Let's say you want to deposit USDT. Click Deposit over here. Please pay attention to the tips over here, and each network has its own rule and deposit addresses. For example, you want to deposit USDT with TRC20 network. It has 1 USDT minimum deposit, while Omni has 20 USDT minimum deposit. And make sure you deposit on right address, otherwise you will lose your money. That's it. Now you have balance in your Huobi account. Let's trade. Before trading, claim your welcome bonus first. Proceed to the welcome banner over here. We have completed ID verification in previous session, so we can claim our welcome bonus. Click claim over here, and you're good to go. You now can trade without fees. Go back to Huobi main page. Proceed to spot trading menu, and click exchange. This is Huobi spot trading interface. Column right here is your balance that you have deposited. Let's say you want to trade USDT HT. Since you deposit USDT to your balance earlier, you can directly trade it to HT with USDT HT pair. You can search for HT inside column over here. Look over here. This one is for buying. This one is for selling. For example, you want to buy 100 HT. Put amount that you want to buy before you click buy. Watch for the buying price. This is the current price. You can change the price by looking the tab over here. Red one shows the people who want to sell. Watch for the price over here if you want to buy. The green one shows the people who want to buy. Watch it if you want to sell. Let's stick for the current price now, and click buy. It goes the same if you want to sell. Now you have basic understanding about using Huobi. See you in the next video.